Hello students, in this video we are going to study about report generation using LibreOffice Base. So this topic is from lesson number 5, that is database concepts using LibreOffice Base. Now the report is always in the form of printed form and it consists of all the details which are present in your table. So the report generation, the presentation of information in an organized and readable format as per the user's requirement is known as report. So all the information on a single printed document is also called as a report. So particularly this report is giving you the detail about the information whichever you have, and it is in the form of readable format. Various complex reports can be generated and that can be helping you to take a decision by the management. Report is the representation of data in a printed form. So with the help of report you can conclude and you can get an information in a form of printed manner. Let us see how to create a report with a practical view. First of all, you just have to open the LibreOffice Base. After that you have to open the database. The database, employee database, I have already opened. Go in the reports part. After going in the reports section, you have to click on use wizard to create a report. After clicking on that, you have to select one of the table from this window. So here I have selected a table, that is product. You can select the table as EMP. Any of the table you can select. After that, just you have to click one by one all the field names. So just shift the available fields to the fields in the report. So I have shifted all of them. Click on next button. After clicking on it, the next thing is labeling of the field. So if you want to change any of your field label, you can do it, and if you don't want to change, you can keep it as it is and click on next. After that, you have a grouping section. In the case of grouping section, you can group the records. So if you want to see the record group wise or any city wise, so you can add the grouping sections, and by that you can shift them with the help of these arrows. After shifting them with these arrows, you just have to click on the next button. After clicking on the next, you have a sort option. So in the case of sort, you just have to sort them in ascending or descending manner. So it is totally based on you which of the options you want to select. After that, you have to click on next. Now the next thing is that what type of layout you require. So you have the options like tabular, columnar, single column, 3 columns. Okay, so here you can see according to our choices the designing or the layout of the report is changing. So if you click on tabular, it looks somewhat like that in a form of tables like rows and columns. If you click on columnar, single column, it looks like that, 2 columns. Then we have 3 columns. Along with that, we have in blocks label above and in blocks label left. So this is how the layout of the data is seen. So the headers and footers, they are the default which you can see. You have 2 orientations. First is landscape and second is portrait. Okay, according to your choice, you can select any of the orientation and you just have to click on next. After clicking on next, you have to write the title of your report. Okay, so just give the title to your report. So you can change and you can make it as employee. So this is the title of your report. You have how you want to create the report. You can make it static as well as you can make it dynamic. So once you create a static report, you cannot modify it. Okay, so if we click on static and we click on finish, a report will be generated which is totally static. So let us see how the report is created. So this is how a static report can be viewed. You cannot make any changes in it. Okay, so this is the static report and the way it is designed. You can also click on file and you can save it. Okay, so after save as option, a window will come. You can save it on the desktop, and this is how the report is generated with the LibreOffice Base. So all the tables, whatever the data was present inside my table, all the data is being displayed here with the form of report. So this is all about the reports which we can prepare in the LibreOffice base. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.